In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Microsoft Teams meeting. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to share meeting details with your colleagues or friends efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams platform. You can easily do this by going to the Teams website at teams.live.com. Once you've reached the site, sign in with your account credentials to access your dashboard. Being logged in, you will have access to various features, including your scheduled meetings and the ability to create or manage meetings. Now, on your left sidebar, you'll notice a variety of options. Among these, look for the Meet button. This button is crucial because it gives you access to all your meeting details in one place. By clicking on Meet, you're taken to a section where you can view your scheduled meetings. This is particularly helpful if you have multiple meetings and need to manage them efficiently. Once you're in the meeting section, you will see a list of all upcoming meetings that you are either hosting or participating in. Take a moment to find the specific meeting you want to invite someone to. If the list seems overwhelming, you can use the search function to quickly locate the meeting by name or other relevant details. After locating the desired meeting, here's where you'll make use of the Share option. Look for a button or a link usually labeled as Share Link Invite, or something similar next to your chosen meeting. Clicking on this button is vital as it will automatically copy the meeting link to your clipboard. Now that you've copied the link, you can invite individuals by sharing this link directly. An easy and effective way to do this is to paste the link into an email, chat message, or even a calendar invite. By doing so, you ensure that your invitee has all the necessary information to join the meeting at the scheduled time. One tip to keep in mind when sending the link is to include any additional details they might need, such as the meeting agenda or time zone details if applicable. This added information can provide clarity and help in preparing for the meeting. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to invite someone to your Microsoft Teams meeting by sharing a direct link. Whether you're reaching out to just one person or a whole group, these steps will help you connect with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using Microsoft Teams effectively.